I have prepared a test for you. After taking this test, you will get to know about the English level and
After taking this test, you will receive your answers regarding whether you need to start your English speaking journey and whether you need to put in hard work. I will ask you 20 questions, and once you have completed all the questions, you will. First question is I came dash America. I am giving you 5 seconds. You have to guess, then I will tell you the answer. So the answer is from I dash cold, and the option is am, have, had, is. I am giving you 5 seconds, and the answer is am. The third question is dash car is very old fashioned, and the options are Fatima's, B Fatima is, C Fatima's, and D Fatima, comma. So the answer is A Fatima's. The fourth question is I speak English but he does. A doesn't speak, B doesn't speak, C speaks, D don't speak. And the answer is doesn't speak. A. Sorry, the answer is nowadays everyone does internet. A had used, B uses, C used, D use. And the answer is uses, B. As there anybody in the room, and the options are A are, B is, C am, D if. So the answer is B is. Seventh question is how many siblings does? Options are A do you have, B have you gotten, C did you have, D both A and B. So the answer is both A and B. So the eighth question is what does you doing? Options are A is, B are, C am, D if. And the answer is R. Question is which book is does? A yours, B yours, C yours, D your is. And the A option is yours. Sorry, I said yours. So the answer is yours, C. 10th question is she is dash whom, A at, B in, C on, D from. And the option is at A. 10th question is she eats dash apple, A, B and C the, D too. And the option is and B.
question is why does she come late? The options are A do, B does, C is, D are. And the answer is does, B. Question is B does books. Options are A are, B is, C am, D is are. So the answer is R, the A, option A.
Question is 60 minutes is dash. Options are 1 hour, B half an hour, C 2 hours, D 3 hours. So the option is 1 hour. The superlative form of far is dash. The options are farthest, farthest, farther, more far, most far. And the option is farthest, means the option A. Question is you don't have dash time. The options are A many, B much, C so many, D lots. And the answer is much. So 18th question is she climbed dash Everest. Options are A mount, B the mount, C the mount, D amount. And the option is the amount, the mount. 19th question is I will look dash it in the book. The options are at, B, for, C or D none of the above. And the option is for, B. Question is 20th question is my mother does delicious meal for us every day. A cooked, B cooked, C had cooked, D has cooked. So the option is cooks, B.
So the result is if you got 20 out of 19, then you are in advanced level, like in C1 level. You can understand English very well and you can express your words, your thoughts in English, and you have a good command on English, but you have less 1 marks, so that's why you are in C1 level. So you have to do little bit polish your English. You don't have to do hard work for that, but you have to consistent in your English. But if you got 18 or 17 or like less than 18, then you are in intermediate level. Here you know all the grammar things and all the things in English. You can express yourself, you can understand English and all everything, but you are in intermediate level. You have to do little bit hard work and little bit polish your English also, so you have to do hard work. So if you got 10 or 11 or 12, then you are beginner. You have to do a lot of hard work and you have to understand all the things in grammar, where we can use the, where we can use where we can use does and all the things. So you can go and learn all the things, then you can come back and give this test again. If you get 15 plus, then you are intermediate or advanced level in English. So yeah, this is your result. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.